Hari Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Hindi telecast is also available. You can check on Hindi page. Hare Krishna. So yesterday we heard the glorification of Gadadhar Pandit. We should always hearing the glories of Bhagwan and Bhagwan Parikar. So the object of our life, that we should always hear the Krishna and Krishna Bhakti Katha. In the Chaitanya Bhagavatam, Vrindavan Thakur is written there. So hearing the characteristics of Vaishnava, so we will get rid of the bondage of from Maya. That's why. So today we also hear a little bit about Gadadhar Pandit. We will remember the pastimes of Gadadhar Pandit also today. Yesterday we have heard he is the embodiment on the manifestation of Srimati Radhika Rani. Kavi Karnapur, he is written. So in the Vrindavan Leela or Radha Krishna Leela, in the Braj Leela, she who was Radharani, now she has become Gadadhar Pandit in the Navdeep Dham Leela. Aftari. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in this material world, so by the Yog Maya, so he manifested Dham himself by the Yog Maya, and as well as he brings his palka to whatever Bhagwan do the Leelas, he always do the Leelas with their parikar. That's why it is said, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jividaya Kari Saparshad Saptari. Saparshad, so with their parikar. Saparshad means with the parikar. And he also manifests his own abode with the with dham. He appeared in this world. So from the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, Sachinandan Gaudhari in the form of Sri Krishna in the form of Sachinandan Gaudhari appeared in this world in the transcendental Dham, Vrindavan Dham. So also, just like the Golok Vrindavan Dham is transcendental Dham, just like same Navdeep Dham is also, the Gaur Dham is also transcendental. So in that Dham, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaur Sundar, he used to do Leela with their parikar. There are two kinds of Leela of Bhagwan. First is Nitya Leela, Naimiktik Leela. Second is Naimiktik Leela. So Nitya Leela is always going on there in the transcendental world. Just like the Krishna has performed some Nitya Leela and some are Naimiktik Leela. So what is Naimiktik Leela? So when Bhagwan in this material world with the Yog Maya, he manifests their Dham and Parikar. So sometimes he changes some Leelas. Sometimes some Leelas are Nitya, some Leela he changes here. Just like in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, some Leelas are not manifested in the direct form. It is just a reflection. Just like Putana Vad Leela. The Putana Moksha Leela, the liberation form Moksha Leela. There is no Putana in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham. But there is Putana Leela manifested here. Why? So by the Yog Maya, he killed Putana today. But there is no Putana Vad in Golok Vrindavan Dham. But by the Yog Maya, he manifested his Leela by the Yog Maya. So he killed Putana. How Krishna has given the mukti to Putana. Even it is mentioned in the scripture when Krishna disappeared from the Ras. So Gopya was too much thinking about Krishna that she used to perform some Leelas of Krishna, and she was thinking like that I am Yashoda. Some gopis are saying that I am Yashoda. Some gopis are saying I am Yashoda. So whatever they are doing, so the gopi who was Yashoda, she was used to take the breast milk of another gopi. So where the Putana Moksha Leela? So the Leela, the gopis who are following that Leela, so no gopi became Putana. Because, so it is, so who will become that gopi? Then Krishna will suck the milk of their breast and that Putana will die. Who will become Putana? No one. No one can be Putana. But gopi were doing this pastime and following the Leela of Krishna. No gopi wants to be Putana. But there is a Putana Vat Leela. So who will do? So what Yog Maya does? Some Yog Maya herself become Putana. So Yog Maya take the part herself as Putana. No gopi wants to be Putana. Sometimes here we perform drama. So now we perform Putana Vat Leela. So today we will perform Putana Vat Leela here in this material world. So if we say someone that you become Krishna and we will become Putana. But when gopis was following this kind of Leela, when the Krishna disappeared from Ras. So just thinking about Krishna, they are following all the pastimes of Krishna, thinking about him. But no gopi doesn't want to be Putna, but they have to perform the Leela. So at that time, so Yogmaya herself take the form of Yogmaya. She became Putna and she was performing Leela. When the Krishna was taking the breast milk of Putna and Putna died. When Krishna is in Aprakat Golok Vrindam, in that transcendental Golok Vrindavan, there is no Putna there. There is no Asur Mara Leela. There is no demon kill Leela there. But Yogmaya appeared like it. That creates sometimes like bhav that Krishna kills Putna. That's why our Jiva Goswami Pad in Brahma Samhita writing, there is two kinds of Leela, Naimittik Leela. There is two kinds of Leela, Nitya Leela and Naimittik Leela. Nitya Leela is always going, Ras Leela and many kinds of Leelas are going on. But some Leelas, like Asur Mara Demon Kill Leela, this is Naimittik Leela. There are many kinds of high stages Saint Mahatma. They always remember the pastime of Krishna on eight Kalin Leela. So in the Ashtakalin Leela you will not find the Putnavad Leela. Mostly you will get the Madhurya Bhav Leela like Krishna Radha Krishna, Vinal, separation and meetings Leelas you will know. Some Leelas, Kaliya is not there. Some Leela Yogmaya perform like that Krishna is going to kill Kaliya today. But there is no Kaliya in this Nitya Leela. If I tell you, you will not understand. So I tell you, if I tell you that you will not understand, or you are hearing, you will not understand. So Jiva Goswami Pad is saying, so if we say something here in this word, so there is a Maya dosh. There is a little bit mal of Maya. That's why Shrodha Bhakta cannot describe. It is really rare to understand. It's hard to understand. So that's why Jiva Goswami Pad is saying, there is only Bhava Matra, like in the Aprakat Golok Vrindavan Leela, there is no born Leela of Krishna. If Ma thinks like Jashoda thinks that I will give the birth to my Krishna, so there is no Leela like that in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham. So that all the Brajbasi things like that the mother Yashoda is going to give the birth of King Kanhaiya or the Nopal. So that is Anand Utsav. So some Leelas Nitya Leela, some Leelas are Naimittik Leela. But when Krishna performed Leelas in this world, so in the Aprakratik Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, there are many Leelas are going on. That is Nitya Leela. So in the Mahaprabhu Leelas, we see some Leelas. There are two kinds of Leela of Mahaprabhu's Leela. First is Nitya or Naimittik. So the Navli Leela of Mahaprabhu's, it's Nitya Leela. So after the taken sannyas, Naimittik. So after the sannyas, whatever the Leela performed by the Mahaprabhu, it is called Naimittik Leela. Even Mahaprabhu, the topmost Leela he performed in Gambhira. He performed some Leela. So whatever the past time he did there, it's not in future and present. So the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu shown his own form, transcendental form to Swarup Damodar. So when take the darshan of that form, he got fainted. Rai Ramanand Rai. He got fainted. Maharasraj Mahabhav Swarup form. So Rai Ramanand Rai got fainted. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is mentioned. Rai Ramanand said to Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, so you have appeared for the reason I know that you are the same Krishna. Now I have realized that you are the same Krishna. So you are just tasting the Bhav Madhura of your Priyasi, your beloved. You are performing this kind of Leela. This is the main cause. This is the Mukhya cause. Main cause of your taking. What is the Pranay Mahima of Srimati Radharani? There are three reasons he is performing. What I have the too much beautiful form, so why she is. And the third one is. So after the tasting of my Rupa Madhurya, what kind of feelings she has? So just three reasons. Tasting of three reasons he appeared in this world. That's why Ramananda is saying that I just got to know that you are the same Krishna. Just because of to uddhar of the people, you have taken this path, taken this leela. So you are here to tasting the three bhav of Srimati Radharani. Jeev Goswami Pad is written Antar Krishna and Bahir Gaurav. Inside you are the same Krishna, but outside, externally you are Gaur Varna. So externally you are covered with the complexion of Srimati Radharani. You are the same Krishna, Prachanna Radharani. You are the hidden incarnation of Srimati Radharani, of Krishna. That's why Rai Ramanand is saying. So Krishna Mahaprabhu said that I have heard your glorification by the mouth of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. So when I told the Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, so Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told me about you when you went to Dakshin side. So you have to meet with Rai Ramanand there in the Dakshin. So the people all with the same mentality always when they meet they get pleasure. People with the same mentality they get pleasure when they meet each other. So that's why I said that Rai Ramanand is Uttam Mahabhagavat. So what is the symptoms of Uttam Mahabhagavat? Sthawar Jangam Bhagavat. What is this? So Uttam Bhagavat never see the jad kinds of materialistics. They won't see your form. Whenever see this kinds of, when they see the things like gross things or the subtle things, they get some. Whenever they see the little bit river, so seeing that river, they remember Vrindavan in their mind. So they get remembrance of Yamuna, where Krishna was doing some loving Leela in the Yamuna. Nauka Vihar, Jiyam Vihar. There are many kinds of Leelas. So they get reminded in their mind. Sometimes they see a little bit Parvat there, the mountain. They seems like that is Giraj Govardhan. So they remember the Giraj Govardhan, seeing the mountain. So always seeing that they gone in the Bhav Avastha. They always used to Kirtan. Harijo. In the Venugit it is mentioned what he does. So Radha herself, when she was reciting this Radharani, the glorification of Raj Govardhan. So serving of Raj Govardhan is incredible, incredible. So serving the Giriraj Govardhan is incredible. So Sakhi, please come with me. We are going to Giriraj Govardhan today. Please Haridas Varjo. So there are many kinds of sevas in Sevikas or Apriyatam, but the Giriraj Govardhan is top notch. So what is my mean to say? Uttam Bhagavad, Uttam Mahabhagavad. When they see the little bit mountain, they remember the past time of Govardhan, Giriraj Govardhan. They get in bhav. Sometimes they laugh, sometimes they cry. This is the symptoms of Uttam Bhagavad. So Mahaprabhu is saying is like this. Sarvabhauma told me that you are Uttam Bhagavad. When our Sabha Raman used to come, when a nice Sabha was held, when Ravan Rai came, so the environment of the mount, the atmosphere of the Sabha got changed. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was thinking that we are believer of Shankaracharya, Shankar Sampradaya. So we are taking that one Aham Brahmasmi like. Brahma Satya Jagat Mithya. The Brahma is true. We always singing like that. The Brahma Satya Jagat Mithya like. But when Ramaran appeared in the Sabha so when he used to came, so he presented the glorification of gopis. So everybody, so they didn't talk about even a single word except Gopis Lila. They recite the beautiful shloka of Bhagavatam beautifully in a beautiful tune. We were Mayavadi, but we were Shankarvadi, we were following the Shankarvad. But when we listened to the shloka of Rai Ramanujan, we were astonished of how beautiful the shlokas are. How beautifully the shlokas are reciting by Rai Ramanujan. And Rai Ramanujan himself, he used to sing the song which is manifested by him. Kalayati Nayanam. Kalayati Nayanam. How beautiful it is. So how beautifully in the beautiful tune Ramanand Rai used to sing this. Actually it is showing that he is used to say Raja Prataprudra, but internally he was saying for Krishna. So the beautiful bhav of Srimati Radhika Rani, 360. 360. There are how many kinds of? So there are 360 kinds of Naika. The specially is 8 kinds of Naika. So Rai Ramanujan Rai is glorification beautifully in that court. So whenever everybody heard that pastimes or that shlokas or leelas, he always attract the court. That every person who was sitting in the court, they were attracted towards Rai Ramanujan. How beautifully he is reciting the shlokas. Who doesn't want to listen to the beautiful Katha of Bhagwan? one and only who is Nishtur, who is Nirdaya, who is cruel, who has the heart hurt. He is the Vyad. They cannot listen. They don't want to listen the Harikatha of Bhagwan. Even who are going to Nibrit Marga follower, thinking that this word is sorrowful. There is too much sorrow in this word. Who are the follower of Nivritti Marg? He thinks like that this word is full of sorrow. Definitely this word is sorrowful. And in that sorrow, we are attracted towards that sorrows. We are always suffering, but still we try to enjoy that. We get more that my mother, my father, my Bhatrajana. We always think like my and I and my. We suffer in this world, but still we are some more attracted towards the people who are residing beside us, near and wide. That's why Narad Rishi is saying to his disciple, they asked them one question, tell me which chakra is always revolves himself. Sudarshan? Kal chakra always revolves himself. Nobody knows when they cut every on one's heart. When it will come upon and whose hand, nobody knows. One lady used to go for anybody's home. Mrityu. One lady goes to for anybody's home for one day. Mrityu Devi. Nari.
और नदी की जब एक ही साथ में दोनों तरफ बहती है जीवन रूपी नदी जीवन रूपी एक नदी है हम लोग देखते हैं
So the life rupee rivers always flows similarly in both ways. Sometimes we are growing and also we are reducing our age. So what is my mean to say? Rai Ramanand, when he used to enter in the court of that kinds of people, the environment, the atmosphere of that court used to change. So hearing this beautiful katha from the Rai Ramanand, so when they were hearing, they said, "Oh wow, beautiful, very nice, beautiful katha." But after that, when you used to hear that kind of katha, we used to say, "Oh, beautiful katha." But after katha when finished, we always, "Oh, there is everything is mithya, everything is just illusions. Only Satya is Brahma. Brahma is Satya." So other people used to say like this. So the same way Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is saying, when I got the mercy of yours, when Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya take the darshan of Sadguru darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya left Mayavad, and he took the shelter of Mahaprabhu completely. So that's why he recites some stuti there. Yeah. How beautiful stuti he did that time. And as Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said to Mahaprabhu, then whenever you are going to Dakshin side, please always take the darshan of your beautiful or your the scholar disciple, Rai Ramanand. So that katha was saying to Rai Ramanand that I have heard your glorification by the mouth of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. So you are saying that I am the Bhagwan Krishna, I am just Bhattaji. So I am a Mayavadi sannyasi. So I am the Mayavadi sannyasi, you always recite I am Brahmasmi. And now you are saying to me Krishna, oh Ram Ram.
यदि ये कहो जे तुम्हारी
you say like this,
कुछ मेरा हृदय में भाव उत्पन्न हुआ,
if you say like something, you're hearing something from you, so maybe I get some bhav in my heart. Whatever you're saying,
मेरा महिमा नहीं,
whatever you're seeing in me, inside me, so it's your glorification only. I don't have any qualification.
संग से
So whenever you get the company of the sajjan people or the nice people, and when you get the company of bad people, so you will get the bad things, and the good people, so you will get the good things.
तब राजमंदिर महाप्रभु एक राजमंदिर के प्रभु
Then Rai Ramanand Prabhu told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please don't do mention of mine.
दूसरी
Please do not give up me.
और अपने
So just for the
राहु के
praising others, you are taking this form, taking this incarnation.
पहले देखी थी तुम्हारा सन्नास दलित मंदिर तुम्हारे सन्नास मैंने देखा, इसके बाद मैं आपके कृष्ण स्वरूप से देखा।
So I had seen your sannyas form, and now I'm taking the darshan of your Krishna form. Then I took the darshan of Radhaji, and then now Radhaji and Radhaji covered the whole body of Krishna. So I have seen all the things, and you are the same that person. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then he smiled a little bit, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Mahaprabhu showed the Rasraj Mahabhav before the Rai Ramanand, and seeing that form, Sarvam Bhattacharya, it doesn't, seeing that form, Rai Ramanand got fainted. What is the Rasraj Mahabhav form? Rai Ramanand is Vishaka Sakhi.
तो विशाखा से भी राधा जी को कितनी बार देखो, और विशाखा से भी कृष्ण ने भी कितने बार देखो।
So Vishaka Sakhi has seen Radha and Krishna many times.
और अभी वही स्वरूप को देखा।
Now when she seen the same form,
ये राधा जी को कृष्ण भी देखा।
when she seen the Radha and Krishna, when how Srimati Radhika has covered whole body of Krishna, she visits, she take the darshan of this form. When she take the darshan of that form, so she got fainted. Why? In the Krishna Lila, he didn't got fainted. Why? When he visit Rajaji, and when he take darshan of Rajaji in this form, so Vishaka ji is a prana prishta Sakhi. She is very near and dear to Radhaji. That he is the same Rai Ramanandan. What is the speciality is there that Rasaraj, seeing the Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup Darshan, Rai Ramanand got fainted. So that's why on this Vaishnav Lok given so beautiful purport. If you read or describe some Grantha of Guru Vargas or Vaishnavas, when you hear some Harikatha, so we got some knowledge about that. What is that? Rasraj Maharaj. What is Rasraj Mahabhav? Krishna is saying Rasraj, and Srimati Radharani is Mahabhav Swarupa, Radha Thakurani. So Radha Thakurani is the Mahabhav Swarupa. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned, and Krishna is Rasraj. Arup Goswami Pad in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu is explaining in the invocation shloka how Krishna, he is the ocean of rasa. He is the Ashraya, he is the Vishay Tattva, but still he is taking a shadow of Ashraya Tattva. How he is tasting the Ashraya Ras. It is very briefly, this is very briefly described by our Acharya Pad. Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad also described that. Rupa Goswami Pad mentioned in the Tika, in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Granth, one by one, step by step, he has glorified this. What is Krishna Raj, Rasraj? Why he says Krishna Rasraj? There are Ved or Upanishad it is saying. Swayam Krishna is Rasarup himself. And he is the Ashra Vishya of all kinds of ras. It is still in the formless. On the form on formless, he is tasting that Bhavras. So beautifully explained by our Acharya Pad these kinds of subjects. What is Ras Madhurya? She is the Mahabhav Surupa, Srimati Radhika Rani, where she has manifested this form, where she has shown this form. So in many kinds of grantha it is manifested from Shraddha to Bhav or Prem. There are many kinds of stages of Prema. There are many kinds of stages, and every stage have different kinds of love. Every rasa is described differently. Jog means Vyog. All the things are described differently. If you read these kinds of Goswami Path Granths under the guidance of Vaishnava, so that we can enter in some kinds of this rasa. Maybe if the Mayavadis say some this kinds of ras katha, then they will not accept or glorify the ras bhav of our Rupa Goswami Path until there is no ras in there. There is no ras in the katha of Mayavadi. They will definitely recite the shloka of Prabhupada Saraswati Path or Rupa Goswami Path. So people get attracted towards them. So if you are saying the Hari Katha externally, you will get, your mind will be fickle. You will not understand this. You will heard the Tattva Katha. Until you are hearing, till then you are hearing the Tattva Katha or reading the scriptures, you will learn Tattva Katha. But after some time you will all forget. Everything will be forget. Oh Maharaj, you tell what is that and what is that. Vrindavan has been listened now and asking the question that Maharaj, who saved the Sita, Ram or Ravan? So please explain me this. You have heard the 9 days Ramayana part, and as like Bhagavad is done by 7 days, now then. So the Ramayana is done by 9 days, and the Ganesh Katha is always 11 days. So different smart vichar people used to speak different times Katha. So people asked, heard the Ramayana. Oh Maharaji, we have learned all the Ramayana. We have learned now all the Ramayana. Who was the demon in the Ramayana? Ram or Ravan? We haven't understand this. In fact, if you ask to the speakers who are doing Ramayana, so he was Jayavijay, but where is that Asur? The demons come from. So hearing this kind of Katha, they used to ask the same question, that who was the demon? Ram or Ravan? Who have the Sita? Ram or Ravan? So this is what I mean to say. So how long we have get the tattva keep in our heart. So while you are listening, you will get the tattva only. It will help on sometimes. So after some time you will forget all the things about tattva. But Leela Katha Adi, when you hear in the Leela Katha, you will never forget. You always remember the Leela Katha in your mind. It is always remembered. So the same guide, when you are going to die the last time, so you will remember the Leela Katha. So at the time when, at the last time of Sukdev Goswami, Parikshit Goswami Paj, oh Sukdev Goswami Paj to say to Parikshit Maharaj, whatever I have told you, I have told you many kinds of katha, but now the death is come towards you. It's very near to you. Taksha is going to bite you. So Brahmasya, it is a Brahman curse. So do one thing. Please take a meditative form and remember the pastime of Krishna. He has clarified in the Sukdev Bhagavatam, in the Sukdev Goswami Path, cleared in the Bhagavatam that please remember the pastime of Krishna. Please remember the sweet pastime of Bhagwan. Okay, for you. So Sukdev Goswami Path given the last instruction to Parikshit Maharaj. Please listen.
श्रवण कीर्तन।
So we have to listen this kind of leelas.
देखो महाप्रभु की रखते ना,
So that's why we form the sannyas से पहले वाले.
सन्यास के पहले जो महाप्रभु,
We always keep the deities of Mahaprabhu before sannyas.
सन्यास के बाद किसी को
You don't, you won't see the deities of Mahaprabhu after sannyas.
है उसके सन्यास दिलाते हैं ऐसे ना, महाप्रभु के रखा जाता है कैसे।
So we always keep the deities of Mahaprabhu after the sannyas. In the Navdeep Dhams, Sachinandan Gauri performed the pastimes in Navdeep Dham beautifully. He has a beautifully curling hair.
और कैसे समस्त जीवों के किसी कैसे जो है प्रेम प्रदान करता है।
So how beautifully he is distributing the prem to the Bada Jivas, to all kinds of Jivas in Navdeep. See, he was observing the Bhava. So we always worship the beautiful form of Mahaprabhu. Even Mahaprabhu's Leelas, as I told, the Rai Rama, before the Rai Rama in the Jagannath Pur Gambhira, this is the beautiful pastime of separation. Na bhuto na bhavitashi, not in the past or the future. So what is Aishwarya Leela? So crossing the Madhurya Bhav, I am not getting this. Sometimes Chaitanya will take the form like Kurmakati, Kachua. It is not possible for the man, human beings. But Mahaprabhu used to be like this. When he was performing Leelas and Gambhira, he was like, when he was taking the Prashadam, when he was taking the Uchit Prashadam of Jagannath Prabhu, so he was lying there and he was saying like, go, 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 go. Sometimes Mahaprabhu, when he crossed the seven walls of Gambhira and he was drawing he jumped into the sea, ocean, and thinking that it's Yamuna, and he was swimming there and went to the different side. He got caught by the machwara, the net of the machwara, the fisherman. And thinking that it's Yamuna, he entered into the ocean. He jumped into the ocean. When a net fisherman came, he caught him. When he touched the Mahaprabhu, so he got the frame in himself, and his body was crumbling that time. Oh, what is happening in my body? His eyes, he has too much big body. His eyes were too much big eyes. And the fisherman was thinking that it's a fish. But when he took that closely, he thought, oh, it's a big man. He's Mahaprabhu. And he was thinking like it's a ghost. So he was chanting the Narsingha mantra japa. But look, that the dead body. So when he was chanting, thinking that when the more he was chanting the Narsingha japa, that dead body coming towards him, and he was fearing so much that time. And the Swarup Damodar came that time. So asked to the fisherman that where are you going? He said, I am going to the people who make the people rid off from the ghost. So what they were asked that I throw the net in the night on the ocean, so I got a big body, or it is a dead body. When he touched my body, so I was so much getting bhava. That's why I am the ghost reliever, who relieve from the ghost. I am going to that person. Samdar got to know, oh, he is so all kinds of vikar is saying on his body. Maybe he has touched the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So how is it not possible that he can this kind of vikar in his body? So they asked that where is that body? So he said, I don't go far away. So
दामोदर ने क्या किया, उसके 3 थप्पड़ लगाया।
Sarup Damodar slapped on his cheeks 3 times, and then the ghost has gone away. So he went further, and Mahaprabhu has a big body that there, and it was too much feet lambe, and the hand and body parts had become differently.
तो महाप्रभु एक सर्व दामोदर ने क्या की, भक्त लेकर के उसके चारों तरफ जो महाप्रभु की चारों तरफ नाम संकीर्तन करना।
So what the devotees do that time, they were all used to doing the Nam Sankirtan before, round and round before the body of Mahaprabhu. And Sarvadama told to Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, so why have you come here? When Chaitanya said, I didn't know anything, I was just thinking this is Yamuna, and he enter in this ocean thinking like it's Yamuna. So I enter in this ocean thinking that's Yamuna. So he described all the Leelas, and after that Sarup Damodar and all the devotees take the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Gambhira. This all the described briefly. So that's why this is called the Naimittik. This is all Aishwarya Leelas. This is not the ordinary Leelas. No ordinary man can do this. So the Leela which is performed like the human being, that is called Madhurya Leela. But when you see the Jagannath Puri and Radha Mandapa, so after the Sannyas, Mahaprabhu did the very many kinds of Leela. These all are Aishwarya Purna Leela. So this all leads to in the Naimittik Leela. And Nitya Leela leads to Nitya Navadvip Dham. This Navadvip Dham is Avinna Vrindavan. And who lives in Vrindavan? Vijay Nandan Shyam Sundar. When Krishna doesn't go anywhere leaving Vrindavan, just like same Mahaprabhu is never leaved Navadvip Dham to anywhere. This is all just Adrishya or Adrishya. All Acharya Pad is saying this. That's why Mahaprabhu, there are two kinds of Leela, Mahaprabhu, Nitya or Naimittik. Naimittik. That's why when you remember the pastime of Mahaprabhu, just like Radha Krishna has Ashtakali Leela, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also has Ashtakali Leela, which has been performed in Navadvip. So all the pastime he has done in Navadvip, this all comes to the Ashtakali Leela. Bolo Sachinandan Gaur Hari ki Jai Jaikar ho, Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari Bol.